love on your comments on my last video. I was so excited that yes, my wish was granted. I decided to have YouTube gear by getting my camera and upgrading my laptop and getting my tripod, getting everything to make sure this YouTube channel works. And I'm so excited that God answered my prayers. And I hope for you watching, anyone believing in God, trust me, He works wonders. Now let's get back to why we are here today. We are back on our How to Do series. Woo! Today we are going to be having episode 2 of how to grow your Instagram page. I'm going to be sharing 4 simple tips on how to grow your Instagram page. I shared 5 tips last week and I hope you used that and I hope it has helped your page. I used to have 100 or 1 follower and now I have 222,000 followers on Instagram, and I hope to encourage you and teach you how I got those hacks. Number 1, make sure you follow Like Mine page. It's very important for you to follow business Like Mine pages or personality Like Mine pages because it depicts who you are. They say, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. Show me your follower and I'll tell you who you are. Make sure you follow pages that inspire you and pages that when other people follow your page or want to follow your page, they see you follow Like Mine pages that are serious minded and they are good set of people. It is very, very important. Just like how we have personal friends, our online platform also depicts who we are. And also when you want to do your advertisements on Instagram, it pops up a line where it says, can you advertise to your kind of followers? And it also helps because if you're following a serious Like Mine page, you definitely have good customers coming from that page if you want to advertise on your page. Number 2, make sure you comment and follow popular blogs. I know some of you see some of Nika EMR comments on Instablog or Gistlover. Guys, I make sure I put positive comments on those blogs because I attract good people to me that believe in my views. So if you want to grow your Instagram page, make sure you drop that nice comment. Before my page was verified, I always drop comments and those comments always attract people to like it and they follow me regardless of having many followers or not. Before somebody likes your comment, they don't go and check, okay, how many people you should follow you. No, they just see what you've dropped is good wisdom. They reason with you, your like minds, they like your comment and they follow you. So but now that I'm verified, my comments are much more visible and now I've really reduced on the rate at which I comment on blogs and popular blogs. But trust me, it helps. Do not go and do basketballs. Don't go and fight on blogs. Just drop your comments, and to avoid those spam pages that probably insult you, all I do is just to block so they will not get to see my comment the next time, and voila, we get it moving. The third thing you need to do is to make sure you do sponsored ads. It's very, very important. Sponsored ads are important. Spend at least 1,500 naira to sponsor a post a week. It helps you get to larger audience, and it's so simple. All you need to do is to go to your Facebook page connected to your Instagram page, and you can add funds and your Nigerian funds, and voila, 1,500 naira will get you more people, and you have the option of them following you or messaging you or visiting your website. That is also one hack I also use in growing my YouTube page. Every time I put up a YouTube video, I always make sure I sponsor the post so it reaches a larger group of audience. The fourth thing you also need to grow your Instagram page is not just about putting a beautiful picture. You also need to have those apps, those editing apps, to make sure your picture and your videos are attractive. I use a lot of editing apps. I use I use CapCut. I also use FaceApp. I use Instant Shot. I also use Beauty Plus. But if you cannot afford those number of apps, the easiest app to use now to edit your content to be attractive is TikTok. Do you know? TikTok is a very good app. Like I found out that recently. The post I did today about my gear that I bought, my YouTube setup gear, guess what? It was TikTok. I edited that content and it came out beautiful well. So you can use TikTok if you cannot afford these expensive apps. make sure you come up with a very attractive, nice picture, nice video that will attract your audience and will also make your reel grow, you know, so fast. Like I remember I told you guys in the last video on how to do how to do series, on how to grow your Instagram page to post a lot of reels. Reels goes faster, and for your reels to be sexy and attractive, you need to have a good editing, nice content on your Instagram page. Guys, finally, I'm going to add one more tip. Make sure you do not combine your business page with your personal page. You can be Titilola Clothing. Titilola Clothing is different from Titilola. Make sure you have a separate page. I always advise people that have personal pages to convert their personal page to their business page because it has more followers. Then set up another private page for themselves. These days, buyers want to know who is the CEO, who are they purchasing, who are they buying from, and they also want to follow you and know the kind of person you are. Guys, I hope you learned one or two things in this our how to do series. I promised you guys that all the hacks, how to do series, I'm going to be releasing at least one every week. Please tell a friend to tell a friend, and please use this hack. Comment below and tell me if it worked for you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. Stick with us, stick with me for our next video. I love you so much. Mwah.